Hey guys, welcome back to another JavaScript programming tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a spread operator in JavaScript. Now the spread operator, characterized by 3 dots, it basically allows you to convert an array of numbers. Let's just have something like this. Basically allows you to convert this array into individual arguments or variables, which you can then pass into functions or just print out or something. So I'll show you guys what I mean. What I'll do is I'll print out the array by itself, then I'll put a quick gap in, and then we'll print out the array using this spread operator. So running this, you see prints out the original array, no surprises here. We're just printing this array. You can see the square brackets which characterize the array and the commas to separate out the individual items. But down here you can see what's happened when we've used the spread operator is these individual items have effectively been spread apart and sort of been inputted like their own data. Similar to how if you input a bunch of inputs parameters like this as individual pieces of data, this is the kind of same result you're going to get. So you can see what this spread operator is doing. It's removing this sort of container of the array and just spreading out the items inside of this. And this is super useful for functions which don't really take in arrays but rather just want a bunch of inputs. An example of this could be the console.log, but more important functions could be something like, let's just have something like the math functions, right? So if we have something like math.minimum, I don't know if mean is a thing, yeah, it's not a thing, but math.minimum and math.maximum, both of these kind of want arguments like this, so they don't want you to pass in an array. Let's see what happens when I try and pass in an array like so. It's going to give me an error because it doesn't want an array of numbers, it just wants a singular number as an input, like this. So if you pass in 2 inputs like this, it should print out just 2 like that. So if you want to find the max of this array, what we might have had to do is just do it manually because this math.max function isn't really working. It doesn't require the same kind of input type. But now you can just use the spread operator and just input your array like this, and then this will just kind of spread it all out as individual arguments, which should allow you to use it, and you get 9 because 9 is the maximum. If I do the same thing for the minimum, we're going to get 1. Just like that. And yeah, the spread operator essentially just removes items from array, not removes, let's just say, what can I say? Okay, creates, okay, let's say separates items from array and passes them as individual arguments. So nums is now going to just become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 as individual arguments rather than being passed in as a singular array. So thanks for watching. That's what the spread operator does, and this is super useful for functions which just take in a bunch of inputs but not actually a list of inputs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!